So one of the setters came up with this crazy idea, right? He decided that he was going to make a VB, name it Lookma, right? Lookma, and then make a V4 where you don't use any handholds, so it's Lookma, no hands.
And this is me falling.
Yeah.
With confidence.
Come on.
Ah, my face.
Come on. Come on. Dude. That's the hardest part of the route. That big move, that stand-up thing.
It totally like bonked my head into the rock above me.
Yeah, I saw that. You good?
Yeah.
I've practiced it a few times, so
Whoa, the boy jumped.
yeah, just send it.
Stand up here.
Come on. Yeah. Beautiful. And that's what the difference between like 2.5 inches makes in climbing.
Alright, do you want to record a bunch of fails now so that we can act like this was actually hard?
Dude.
Ah.
Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, can't do that too much, we'll get a copyright flag.
Oof. Hey boy.
Here's another hard yellow thing. We'll try it a little bit. Yeah, the tag says V8, but high key our gym set's super easy, so there'll probably be people in the comments telling us it's a V4.
Wait, solution. Ah, there it is, a V0.
V0, yeah. Yeah, so this is sweet V0 that we found. We'll try it out a little bit. Maybe we'll get it, maybe we won't, who knows?
V0 is hard, Chief.
True.
Exactly.
Oh, it's Sean. Is this for the vlog? Huh? Is this for the vlog? Yeah, it is. Nice. This is Sean.
Hey.
He's staff. Freaking nerd.
I'm staff, setting with this.
I thought you were Sean.
I go by multiple names, so.
Ah, powerful. See, here's my conundrum. He's already climbed further into this route than I've gone in the route. So, like, should I just cut the video so that I look better?
I mean, I think that's what you have to do.
Great. That's a hard move. You're good whenever. Yeah, if you'd like, you could probably get some guest appearances.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah? Pretty cool.
It would have been good if I'd actually grabbed the rock.
Dude, that rock is like hard to grab.
Yeah.
Like, no joke. Yeah, come on. Come on. Dude, you just gotta go more down.
There's a,
Not anymore.
aim just above this. Just above that.
Yeah, just above it.
That's not good.
All right, now Caleb's gonna hit that hold.
I've already hit it. I just haven't grabbed.
There he goes. Come on.
All right, I haven't actually looked at the rest of the route yet.
Try. I get that. I get my right foot. Yeah.
Wait, that's not a hole.
Yeah. No, that's not a hold.
You could be doing this one, but you can just sit here and lock your arm on a Gascony route like that. You can't lock.
It appears that Sean has demanded that we do the purple one.
Yeah, Dino with the moonkick.
Oh, okay, I got
Wait, get the cinematic pan out.
Ah.
Oh, yeah, cankles. What are cankles?
Ankles, that's when your leg just goes from leg to foot and you don't have an ankle.
Ah,
Yeah.
That's
cankles.
Sean's fun fact of the day.
Yeah, that was definitely one of those routes where he was like,
Oh,
"This is such
he
a
went up there.
hard route." It was like a V5.
Uh-huh.
And it's just only a V5 if you're strong to get it.
I'm way too close. Oh my god.
Hit that moonkick.
Teleport.
It's taking longer to down climb than to send the route.
Yeah, I feel like that's